Hey guys, it's Sarah and today we are bleaching my eyebrows. I've actually been planning this for a pretty long time and I just never got around to doing it because I bought this like 3 months ago when I first bleached my hair. I just came out of a 1-hour conversation with my mom about bleaching my eyebrows, but I think I'm still gonna do it. Sorry, Mom. Okay. I bought this a while ago. This is the Jolen cream bleach, which lightens facial hairs. It shouldn't be too harsh on my skin or my hair or my face because it's the sensitive formula and we all know I'm really sensitive, so I don't think I'm gonna cry during this one. I'm so bad at telling jokes. But this shouldn't be too hard. Let's just go ahead and start doing it. I'm also doing this not in my bathroom. I don't know if that's a smart decision, but we're just gonna do it today. And when you open up the packet, this is what you have. You have like a mixing spatula with the mixing cup and then the accelerator and then the actual bleach solution, I think. What I'm gonna do first is I'm actually just gonna take off my eye makeup. I'm just gonna use my micellar water. I might also just soap it off just to make sure that it's completely clean because the instructions say that your eyebrows should be completely cleaned. I think you guys have seen my puny eyebrows before, so I'm not gonna give you guys a disclaimer, but it's a little bit bare. My right eyebrow is missing hairs because I ran into a stack of plates when I was a kid and I had to get stitches. It's not that noticeable. I just chopped off the entire end, so you can't tell. I don't really have a vision this time. I know usually when I do stuff, I'm like, I have a vision. I don't have a vision this time. It's just gonna be whatever it turns out to be. So these are my natural brows. They're a little gross. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it first just to make sure that it's like completely clean, and then we can go ahead and do the whole mixing thing. Yes, I will be back. Okay, I'm back. These are my clean eyebrows and I'm just gonna go ahead and mix the bleach right now. This is our Jolen bleach and I actually need to read this for the instructions on the back. This is our little container and this is our spatula. This is our cream, and low-key this looks like a really good lotion, but I'm pretty sure that that's the line they're talking about. I hope that's the line they're talking about. So I'm just gonna take some of this cream and fill it up. I have no idea what the right way to do this is since it's so gloopy. I feel like that's enough. And then here we have the accelerator. I think it says to mix 1 capful of the accelerator. This is our accelerator powder. We're just gonna put that in. So we're just gonna blend that. And there is our paste. I think they said you can just use the spatula to apply to your face. So I'm gonna take my glasses off. It's very frothy right now. So I think we are good. I don't know if I'm supposed to like brush this through my eyebrows or what, but let's just. This is much more anticlimactic than I thought it would be. Also, this is so much less bleach than I thought I would need. This just looks like icing. I have so much left. Okay, wait, I need to set a timer for this. Okay, it's 4:38 right now. And should be good in 10 minutes. Why does it kind of sting? I maybe should have tested this earlier. Oh, is it too late now? Can't see myself. Oh. She's hot. Should I just bleach my entire face now? Ooh, I do have a lot of peach fuzz. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm just gonna try to do my mustache too. I'm gonna go clean this area and then I'll be back. Oh, Merry Christmas. I'm Santa Claus. I feel like my skin just doesn't like this. So I don't know why I have so much bleach left, but I'm just gonna go into my finger hairs and just... I think this is safe. I hope this is safe. My face is kind of burning still. I will check back in 10 minutes. Alright, my timer is up and I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe this off. Okay, it looks like it's not really that bleached, so I'm gonna keep it on. It says reapply for another 10 to 15 minutes. I don't know if that's with new mixture or a new mixture or the same mixture, but my skin's kind of burning, so I'm just gonna apply a new mixture. I don't know if that's smart.
2 hours later.
Alright, this is what it looks like, and if you're disappointed, I'm also disappointed. I bleached this twice and it's still not as light as I thought it would come out as. I don't want to bleach it another time just because the instructions don't say to go in a third time if it doesn't work, and I don't want to damage my hair follicles in my eyebrows if that is a thing. But I think maybe this is like a good color with like the pink, and if I just make my brows pink then it'll look good. I don't know. Actually, I'm just gonna try that. I don't have pink eyebrow powder, but I do have pink in my eyeshadow palette. Oh my god. I have that pink. I don't know. It's like a different shade than my hair, but maybe it'll work. So I'm just gonna take my eyebrow brush and try to put this on. It's so weird. It's like kind of brown. I do like it though. I think lighter eyebrows are suitable when you have lighter hair. I don't know how this is gonna go. I give up. I thought I did something. I really thought I did something, but I didn't. I apologize if you came into this video thinking I'd come out with platinum blonde eyebrows and I didn't. But this was a fun experience nonetheless, and I've never bleached my eyebrows before, so now I know what will happen if I bleach it twice. You know, on second thought, I kind of like it. Like, it's not completely, yeah, it's not that light, but it is such a look, you know? Anyways, that concludes the video for today, and if you like my face, please like and subscribe. If you don't like my face, please also like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace. It do be kind of cute though.